The upper display can be adapted for a personalized experience. To begin, the vehicle should be in park with the ignition on. The haptic feedback from the touchscreen can be modified. Select Settings, Display and Brightness, MMI, then Touchscreen Feedback. Enable haptic feedback, then choose from one of 3 sensitivity options. Touching an active screen element will produce a small click along with a tactile response to confirm the action. The button symbols in the upper display can be moved between screens. Press and hold a button for 3 seconds, then drag to the desired location. Buttons can also be added to the quick access bar. Only 4 buttons are assignable. The home button is always present and cannot be moved. To reassign one of the buttons, press and hold an icon in the main display, then drag it to the quick access bar. Select Done when finished. The notification center in the upper display shows the status of various features. Drag down to open it. To obtain additional information about a notification, press the icon. If there are multiple notifications, the older notifications will be hidden. Drag upward to reveal them. To delete a notification, swipe it toward the right edge of the screen. Notifications can also be edited. Press the Set Notification icon to select which notifications can be displayed.